This is Gene Hauk, Sales Director for Audix USA, and we are here at ISE 2019, and we're showing our new M63 Boundry mic. This has dual LED function. It has an offset button so that if you are in push-to-talk mode, you do not cover up the element, which is nice. It has a built-in shock mount, so the mic is actually suspended. That is a new innovation for Audix, so this is a patent-pending innovation that we have. And then over here we have the M65 Tabletop microphone. This is a solid brass, rigid tube microphone, black nickel plating, so it's got a very elegant machined look. And when you put this in position, it has a consistent gain area so that you don't have what you have with goosenecks. A lot of times you'll have a user move the gooseneck and creak it and bend it, and many times the mic is not really pointing to the speaker, which is a bad thing. So more consistency there. The first job we did with this mic this year is the New York assembly right here. You can see this photograph here where they have installed 200 of these in this beautiful assembly building. So we're proud of that install. More to come, so please visit us at www.audixusa.com for more information on the M65 and the M63.